Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with an amazing collaboration, this time with the young artist BrunoDrawings. He is a very talented 16-year-old artist from Peru. As you can see, his drawings are crazy good, especially his coloring skills. And for today's video, we both agreed on drawing BROLY from Dragonball Super in Rage. I will draw the line art now and Bruno will do the coloring. Let's get right into it guys. Hit like, subscribe if you are new, and then we can start. Let's go.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.
Alright guys, I think BROLY looks great. I tried to make him look very angry and just enraged. That's the best version of BROLY in my opinion. I am very happy with the result of the line work, I must say. Now it's Bruno's turn. He's going to color this with colored pencils, which is a lot more difficult than using markers. Let's enjoy the coloring process together guys. Make sure to hit like if you haven't already. That's very important for the video to perform good. I really appreciate that. Let's get right into the coloring. Let's go.
It's all about humanity.
Starters, one out of a million will reach those heights. Always get a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never could toss. Look in my eyes, I'm on the rocks, rise. all. Never look down when there's risk involved. I got guts, got a lot, I gotta wish it all. Ain't got no feelings, we just floating. Yeah, I'm that grain of sand that made it out the ocean. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion. Choppers, better took those risks. Hold one of my fists, we fire starters. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never been tossed. Look at my eyes, I'm on the rise.
So guys, there we have the final result of BROLY Raging. Line work and pose done by me, and the amazing colors and shading done by BrunoDrawings. He also did the editing by himself, which also turned out amazing. And I gotta say, the drawing turned out so good, guys. I really like it. Again, Bruno is only 16 years old, and for that age, he is very far with his skills. When I was 16, I was nowhere near to his skills. So if you continue like this, my friend, you are going to be a huge artist. So guys, make sure to check him out on YouTube and Instagram, all the links down below. If you enjoyed this collaboration, make sure to like the video, guys, subscribe if you are new on my channel, and comment below what you think of this drawing. Prints of this drawing will be available on my Etsy store, so make sure to check that out too. If you are ever interested in a custom drawing, which will be created according to your wishes, make sure to contact me on Instagram or email me at arttolg@gmail.com so we can talk about your drawing and commission prices. I will also upload the line work of BROLY in real time on my real-time drawing channel so you can follow the way I draw step by step. All the links for everything down below, guys. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I see you on the next video.
Control, I won't be held responsible.